One, hope everyone is doing fine. As for me, this homeschooling thing is no joke. I just want to raise the teacher them pay. Raise it. Anyway, today video is going to be on Jada Kingdom versus Shenseea once again. So Jada took to her Instagram and she wrote, "Bitches be excited AF to be a side piece. LMFAO. Okay, coleslaw." And then after that, she went onto her story and she did this video right here.
I have something for ask you. I want to ask you something, you know. Who the fuck call you?
Then Jada followed up with question, asked if anybody want to fight, which is referring still to Shenseea. Hope you guys don't mind because I won't be able to read everything because it's a lot. But Shenseea did answer saying, "Mad my mad girl, hear that? I forgot to pay for my promotion. Anything trending with Shen, we know this needs some crumb for the bird. Keep it alive since it can't survive."
Guys, the side chick song is meant to be for people who can relate to the song. If you can't relate to the song but still like it, thank you for the support. You know, it's just a song. And the concept of it is about something that has been happening forever. So don't hate me. Don't hate this song. Hate your man. And guys, I just got signed to another company. Yes, I have a new endorsement deal. A small reveal. Here it is.
So being that it's now officially back and forth, then Jada came back and start going off again. Guys, you can pause the video and record. There is so much. But one thing Jada keep doing, she kept tagging Shenseea into it, and she's saying who Shenseea get with next, the family, and all of that. When I tell you, so Jada went off. Jada went all the way off on Shenseea. Then Maka Diamond wanted to be funny and said, "Say the name International Show Shade. You look like me need to find someone to shade. Oh, the angel, I could start one now. Approach with caution."
Follow me.
Follow me, it's all happiness, no mix up, okay?
Follow table.
Guys, when I tell you, I try to keep up. So because Jada was saying which rapper next she got, you know, do our thing, forget her hype. She posts Shenseea, then posts Meat Meal saying she's in the studio. She don't have time for that. And then Jada came back and finished it off by saying, "Wanna use bad mind as an excuse for everything. Please retire it because I'm not that person. I'm actually have talent. The fuck gonna feel like so." So yeah, so let's see if it completely done now or there's more